Hey, what's going on out there? I'm Sean Devine. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video, I just wanted to see if I could get through my entire intro with pitch correction on without laughing. All the way from the start, I can feel it in my heart, like all the way from the start. Just kidding. Today, we are going to be covering how to sing vocal harmonies. So this is a question I get a lot on the channel. Most I staying with me that I know. This music help me deal with all the highs and lows. Many of you out there are listening to some of your favorite artists and you're hearing these big melodic harmonies. And, I've done some videos on generating these synthetically, meaning if you don't actually have the vocal harmony that's been sung in the session, we can create them with some synth type of processing, although that's going to give you a different result. And that's the main question I'm getting from a lot of you is how do you get your harmonies to sound a certain way? And the short answer is to sing them. But I'm going to show you how to use real-time pitch correction, and we're going to talk about a little bit of music theory. Let me go ahead and play back this hook idea, and then we'll talk about how to approach actually putting together the harmonies to go along with it. Never concerned with the plays or attention, did up for the mention. I've been out here praying for my flows. Friends who rooting for you come and go. Oh, oh. Most I staying with me that I know. This music help me deal with all the highs and lows. Don't let them weigh down your soul. So first things first, we want to know what scale we're in terms of the instrumentation or the production. So if I play back the B minor scale, that's the scale we're in, and that means that those are the notes that, I can sing, and that's going to be within our compositional scale. I've been out here praying for my flows. Those are the notes that I'm singing right now. Now, what is a harmony? Let's just really quickly talk about this because we need to understand what it is actually made up of. A harmony is as simple as two or more notes that are in harmony with one another. So that's three notes in the B minor scale that makes up the B minor chord, which is B, D, and F sharp, right? So you can do any number of different notes that are going to be in harmony with each other, but you want to approach singing the same way as you would like I'm playing right now on the keyboard. It's just finding out which notes are going to harmonize with the vocal notes that I have laid down. Let's say first we want to do a higher harmony. So maybe we could do something an octave up. Maybe like D, C sharp. Let's just hear what that sounds like. I've been out here praying for my foes. Friends who rooting for you come and go. Oh, oh. Most I staying with me that I know. This music help me deal with all the highs and lows. Something like that for the high. Maybe for the lower harmony, we could do something like a B and an A. I've been out here praying for my foes. Whoa! Never concerned with the plays or attention, did up for the mention. I've been out here praying for my foes. Friends who rooting for you come and go. Oh, oh. Most I staying with me that I know. This music help me deal with all the highs and I've been out here praying for my foes. Friends who rooting for you come and go. Oh, oh. Most I staying with me that I know. This music help me deal with all the highs and lows. Don't let them weigh down your soul. If you can dream about it, you can be about it. All right, y'all. So as you can hear, I'm not the greatest singer in the world, but I hope this shows you that it's not as hard to create vocal harmonies as you maybe are thinking once you kind of get a general grasp on the scale that you're working within, and so the notes that are going to work, what you're actually trying to harmonize with. Once you get that understanding down and then use the real-time pitch correction just to guide you, these are very effective for using in your hooks to make them really pop out and be really catchy for your listeners. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions about utilizing pitch correction in this way to create sung harmonies, feel free to leave a comment below. If you learned anything in the video, please like, subscribe, and consider sharing. We'll talk to you soon. One time, now I got peace of mind. It's divine, like, whoa. Never concerned with the plays or attention. Did I for the mention? I've been out here praying for my flow.